Welcome everyone to another Khan Academy tutorial, this time geometry. Determine translations is what we're doing. Translating shapes is when you just slide it across the coordinate plane, either up, down, left, right, diagonal, or some combination. So let's go ahead and start. It's going to be real basic. It's going to say determine the translation. Use non-negative numbers. So it's just asking us, where does it go? Now, you always want to keep in mind that you start with the non-prime one. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, oh, sorry, there's no D. I don't know where the D came from. A, B, C is the pre-image. So this is before the translation. So we're trying to see where does it go from the pre-image to the pink one. So how does this A change? Okay, really you want to concentrate on the vertices. If you can just figure out where one vertex goes to its corresponding translation, then you can figure out it's going to be the same pattern for all of them. So taking a look at the A, I'm going to make this green actually. We're going to first count, it's asking left and right first. So we're going to count over and we see that we go 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right. I don't like that. 4 units to the right. Okay. And then we would have 1, 2 units up, so 2 up. So that's what we're going to type in. Just in case you're wondering, the proper way to write this would be translation, T for translation, okay? And then the shape we're translating is A, B, C. Now, the translation is 4 to the right, so that'd be 4 for the X value. The X value is right here, okay, for reference. And then the Y value is after this comma, and our Y value would be 2 because we go up 2. So if we went to the left with the X value, it'd be negative. If we go down, it'd be negative for the Y value. Okay, so it's 4, 2, and that is our translation notation, proper one. But Khan Academy, and then you have it equal to A prime, B prime, C prime. But Khan Academy is just asking for more simple. It's asking that we're going 4 units to the right. Okay, so it's 4 units to the right. And then we already said it was 2 units, not up, down, up. And we check it. All right, next question. Q prime, 3, 2, is the image of Q, 6, 4, under a translation. So basically it's asking, this is what I was kind of talking about earlier, if this is our X and this is our Y, how does it change from this to this? Well, we subtract 3. Our translation, we subtracted 3 to get to 3, and then we subtracted 4 to get to the new Y. Okay, so we subtracted 4 and then 3, respectively, Y and X. So that's what we're going to type in. But keep in mind that if we're going negative X, a negative X, I don't know why, there we go. A negative X means we're going to the left, and a negative Y means we're going down. So we're going to go here and we're going to the left 3 units because it's going negative. And we're going down for 2 units. What did I say earlier? Did I say 4? Oh, it's only supposed to be 2. I don't know where I got 4 from. So, all right. Down 2 units because we go from 4 to 2. Next question. All right, here we go. Big Daddy ABCD prime is the image of quadrilateral ABCD under translation. We're going blue to pink. So I'm just going to look at the D. So if we're looking D here, you can tell that from D to D prime, we're just going down 3 units and we're going left 1 unit. So we're going 1 unit to the left. Again, that's negative if you're putting it into translation. And we're going 3 units down. That's negative Y direction. And we're going to check that. All right, next one. Okay, we're seeing how the X's change from A to A prime. We're going to go the X's, left and right. We are going to the left 1 unit. That means we went from 3 to 2. That's -1, so that's to the left. Then we're going from -4 to 3. Okay, so for all you that struggle with this, it's -4. And then we're going to 3. That's +7. That's the change there. So that's 7 up. Great game, 7 up. Good flavor, pop. 7 up. So we have 7 up from -4 to 3, and that's it. We are done with this Khan Academy determination. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you get 100% like we did here today, and I hope to see you next time on West Explains Best.